Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance problem at your WordPress website. Hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start the video. Guys, here you can see in my website I have briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance problem. Now if I check my admin panel, here you can see in my admin panel I have the same problem. Now to fix this problem, first we need to go to our website cPanel and log in with our username and password. Then we need to go to File Manager. Now if you have multiple websites, then go to your website folder, or if you have only one website, then go to public under HTML folder. Now click on Settings and click on Show Hidden Files and save. After doing this, you will see this file .maintenance. So now delete this file, just right click on it and select delete. Confirm. Now go to your website and refresh your website. Here you can see website error has been fixed. Now if I check the admin panel, reload. Okay, here you can see admin panel error was also fixed. So guys, in this way you can fix your website briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance problem. I hope you can do this and find this tutorial helpful. If you are, then please click on the like button. If you have any question or suggestion, then please comment below. Subscribe now for more videos. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.